Well, the former Karnataka Director General of Police, Om Prakash, was found dead with stab wounds at his residence in Bengaluru on Sunday. Police now suspect that he was murdered as a sharp weapon was probably used to attack him, and detained his wife and daughter for questioning in this matter. According to preliminary information, Mr. Om Prakash's wife is an accused in this alleged murder. Stab injuries were found on Mr. Om Prakash's stomach and neck. This is what sources have informed NDTV, adding that police will decide to arrest his wife and daughter after questioning. The cops have categorically said that the couple fought in the afternoon and the wife threw chili powder and tied up the former DGP. The police has further added that the ex-DGP was stabbed with 2 knives, also further stating that a glass bottle was used in this attack. Just listen in to what Karnataka's Home Minister had to say regarding this gruesome attack, followed by my colleague Nihal Kidwai's report.
Prakash has been murdered, they say by his own wife, but the investigation is on. Until and unless we get the report, the investigation report, we cannot conclude anything. The investigation is on. We are looking at various aspects. Once the report is with us, then we can say how the murder is being done and so on.
This is the residence of former DGP of Karnataka, Om Prakash. It has been sealed, as you can see, and this is the ground floor where his body was found in the pool of blood. His wife was here at the time of crime and his daughter as well. But what we have come to know, his daughter was on the other floors of the house, as this is a 3-story building, and this building is in one of the most posh localities of Bengaluru city. This is HSR layout. Most of the police officials, senior officials you can say, they stay here only. Not only IPS but IS officers as well. So here his body was found in the pool of blood, and it is alleged that his wife is the main suspect, and it is also alleged that she only stabbed him multiple times. More than a dozen wounds have been found, what we have come to know, though officially it is not confirmed, and he died because of loss of blood. There was a discord between the wife and the husband. It was going on for a long time over money as well as property disputes. What we have come to know that recently he had transferred one of his properties in one of his siblings' name. This triggered the present clash that claimed his life. It seems the wife did not like it, and there was a heated argument here on the ground floor when they were having lunch, and after that it is alleged that she only stabbed him multiple times, and he succumbed to his injuries. When he was taken to the hospital, there he was declared brought dead. His body, the post-mortem is still to happen. Only after that police will be in a position to say that how many wounds are there and other details.
My colleague Deepak Bopanna has also been tracking the finer developments for us. He joins us live at the moment. Deepak, absolutely gruesome details emerging. What's the latest?
Well, definitely gruesome to say the least here. The police, of course, right now in the process of trying to, make the first arrest. We are told that in the next couple of hours, they officially could make an announcement as to whether they're going to show the wife is arrested. Questioning has continued now for over 12 hours, both the wife and the daughter being questioned in connection to this murder, which is expected to have taken place anywhere between 3:15 and 4:15 yesterday. After a heated argument, which soon turned physical, it is believed that he was stabbed multiple times using 2 knives. There was also a bottle, the broken glass bottle that was used. Apart from several things that were in the kitchen as well that was thrown at him is what I'm picking up from my sources. Apart from, these details, the police are trying to ascertain what led to the quarrel, and if there was any other person that was there. As of now, the police believe that there were 3 people in total in the house when the incident has happened. It is another, officer who has informed the police is what we are learning, based on which the police arrived at the scene of the crime and then began questioning. As of now, all details are being looked into. The cremation of the retired police officer who's been murdered is happening at about 3 this afternoon. At about 11, his body is going to be kept in a club nearby there for family and others to pay homage. The Home Minister, speaking about it a little while ago, has said that he was a good man, he was a good officer, was working with him when he was formerly a Home Minister back in the year 2015. Definitely a lot of detailing going into the questioning at this point in time. We'll really have to see what are the details that emerge after that.